And so my dad's a real estate broker. I'm from Idaho. And I said, hey, if you find any interesting pieces of real estate, let me know. And he a few months later, found this abandoned, well, it wasn't abandoned, it was no longer operational 10-unit hotel near my hometown. And for me, real estate was just a natural thing that I enjoyed. I enjoyed thinking about it. I had the opportunity to decide what I wanted to do, and I ended up meeting my now business partner, and that was 7 years ago. And we've done 20 offerings since then, all multifamily in Arizona. So today we have over 600 units, about 14 buildings across Arizona. We do all of our operations in-house, maintenance, facilities, property management. That I realized is so key to get good returns, is to make sure the operations are top notch. And so it's been a really fun ride. I would not go back to Wall Street